We just got done watching the Netflix series Avatar: The Last Airbender. It is came out in 2024. It is 8 episodes long. It is TV PG, and it is fantasy adventure as far as, you know, what genre. If you're familiar with the Avatar brand, the Avatar Last Airbender brand, this follows the exact same story as the movie did, but adds a lot more interest and
background,
personality, and I like the actors who performed in this a lot better for those roles.
Yeah,
than the ones
really
that were in the movie.
I loved the movie too back then. It just wasn't the right time for it.
Yeah. This is going to, we believe, a 3-season, as far as we think. Yeah, at least a 3-season. So we only watched the first season so far, and like I said, it is 8 episodes. Each episode is about an hour long. There is some mild level of violence and very mild level of like blood, gore, that kind of stuff. I think it would be
cuts and bruises type of blood.
I think this series would be appropriate really for just about most ages. Anyone over the age of, even like an 8-year-old, I think would be okay watching this.
The battle scenes weren't
crazy. Well, because the kid is like an 8-year-old.
Yeah.
So like, I don't know, I feel like that this really is kind of a family-friendly adventure fantasy style TV series. So if you like adventure fantasy content, I think that this might be one that you might enjoy. I'll look and see if I can find the trailer, and I'll put it below. But yeah, we gave this a double thumbs up. I thought they did this really nicely. It was very enjoyable. We spent the last 3 days watching this season. So
yeah, very nice. You like that? You know, a lot of superhero stuff's going on now, but this is a nice elemental magic type show. Fantasy
stuff. Yeah,
it's really been enjoyable, even way more than the movie. So.
And they spend a lot of time building the characters, which I really enjoy, getting to know the characters and getting to care about the characters. So you know,
doing this in a season, like a TV show type thing, to really, you know, spread it out really helps you get deep into the
background of everybody.
Yeah, this world of stuff going on. So that's pretty cool. I like it.
If you've seen this series on Netflix, let me know what you thought of it in the comments section. And if you have not, do you typically enjoy fantasy content? Let me know down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.